Hello everyone and welcome to a new video from Modular MX. Today I'm going to show you how to use a makefile for the STM32 G0. Before we start, you can download the makefile from our website. It includes everything you need for compiling, debugging, flashing, running scripts such as mid-run rules, seedling for unit testing, and documenting with .cn. Make sure to explore other interesting topics on our website as well. Let's begin by initializing the makefile. Here's an example. After running the command, you should see this kind of output. First up, we have to make command which compiles all our files. For example, here you can see the sources are set. We have the makefile int, msp, startup, the rcc library, GPIO, and flash. These are the most important for now to compile or toggle alerts. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks like when I'm running make. Once we run the make command, we should see this kind of output. So open your terminal. Remember to use bash, type make, and you'll see an output similar like this one. Now I'll show you an example of code related to AutoSAR from the makefile layer, designed for the STM32 G0. It has different drivers than the one provided on the page. Then we have the source path where each file to be compiled is located. Here we call each source path in the B path for easy access. Here you can see the different C flags for compiling and the linter flag for semi-hosting, the standard libraries, GCC, among others. The ink path, I include the directories where the drivers are located. You can see the headers for port, DO, interruption, ADC, and so on. Next, we have the linker flag related to the mid-run rule, which helps to identify specific issues that might arise in the future. Also, we have the .funny target that forces the command to be applied. Sometimes, even when you want to run the command, it might not happen without this. Next, we have make clean. This command is so useful for cleaning previously built files. Sometimes rerunning a make command might not work, so you want to start first. This command erases every file from the build. The commands from the page and here are the same. I just specify where to clean the files and which one. We also have commands for opening and debugging, which I'll discuss later. Additionally, there are commands for documenting using .cn and for mid-run rules, which we'll cover in specific videos. You can find everything on our website. Let's move on the opening and debugging. This helps us to see the output when we are doing semi-hosting. To run it, open one terminal to do the open command and another one to do the debug command. Now, run the debug command and type C to continue. You may have a breakpoint from the beginning, so we need to delete it to go to the one we want. Type delete to remove it, then set the breakpoint wherever you want. For example, I'm going to type break in AutoSAR /macal/gpt/gpt.c and the line number. To inspect variables, use the p command, followed by the variable name. You can see the value, the macro, and the iteration from the variable you want. To stop the debugging session, type Ctrl+C to end it, and do the same for the open command. Now let's talk about .file and the linter. Here you can see how they're done with the command. You don't need more than this. We have a specific video for this in case you want to check it out. Now type make clean to run it. You can see I have some issues with my project, but this detail you can find it in our website and our channel. Also for .cn, type make docs and it'll appear the output that is making the doc for each file. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.